Hi everyone, Shamim Hussain, brand promoter Nefos Malaysia. So today I'm going to introduce you Nefos 2 latest model, is X20 and X20 Pro. So first of all, I talk about X20. Nefos X20 coming with a dewdrop screen, 6.26 inch, and you get RAM 2GB, memory 32GB. And if we talk about the camera, this one you will get AI 13 plus 5 megapixels back camera, and front is 8 megapixels. So front and back camera you can get the bokeh portrait mode. So this is good news for selfie lovers who like to get portrait selfie. You can have here. So the phone is Android 9.0. Two SIM cards standby and one SD card you can use. Expandable 128GB. So how much the price? Nefos X20 price is very reasonable, only 449 ringgit only, and you have three colors. One is black color, another one is red color, another one is the purple color. So if you talk about the X20 Pro, also same screen size, like 6.26 inch dewdrop screen, but inside RAM how many GB? This one RAM inside 3GB, memory 64GB. Of course expandable memory, you can use 128GB below. So let's say talk about the camera. The X20 Pro coming with AI dual camera back 13 plus 5 and front is 13 megapixels. So you can get the nice selfie in X20 Pro. And the battery, of course, this one got very bigger size battery, 4100 mAh with fast charging. So both phone actually is fast charging, so you no need wait a long time to make it full. This one only below 1 hour you get full charge. So Nefos X20 and X20 Pro difference is Nefos X20 got 2GB RAM, X20 Pro is 3GB RAM. X20 is 32 gig storage, X20 Pro is 64 gig storage. But the other almost thing is quite similar. If you talk about the GPS or internet speed, both phone coming with dual band, so you will get highest internet speed here. So, and another thing, what is the difference between other brand, what is special here? So here you will get 2 years warranty and 1 year for screen crack protection. So below 2 years, within 2 years any problem, you can have free service for Nefos X20 and X20 Pro. And within 3 months any hardware problem, you can get one-to-one exchange. So these things another brand never give you. So this is the specialty for Nefos smartphone. So of course what the price about X20 Pro is, Nefos X20 Pro is RM599, so very reasonable you can get. So if you looking for buying new smartphone, what are you waiting for? Come and get from Satu Gadget, Nefos brand outlet. So I am Shamim Hussain, brand promoter Nefos Malaysia. I am waiting for you. Thank you very much.